Hi and welcome to this channel. Have you ever sent a message on Telegram and waited only to wonder if you've been blocked? Well, you are not alone. In today's video, we'll show you the clear signs to help you figure out if someone has blocked you on Telegram. While Telegram doesn't notify you directly, there are some easy tricks and clues that can help you find out. So, let's get started. First, check last seen status. The first thing to check is their last seen status. When someone blocks you on Telegram, their last seen status often changes to something vague like last seen a long time ago or sometimes last seen recently. But keep in mind, Telegram also lets user hide their last seen for privacy. So while this might be a sign, it's not confirmation by itself. Second, profile picture disappears. The next clue, their profile photo. If you are able to see their picture before and suddenly it disappears, replaced by the default Telegram avatar, that might be another sign you've been blocked. However, they could have just removed their picture. So again, this is just part of the puzzle. Third, messages only show one check mark. Now, here's a stronger sign. When you send a message to the person and it only shows one check mark, not two, for a long period of time, that could mean your message was delivered to the server but not received by their device. In Telegram, one check mark means sent and two check mark mean delivered. If you keep getting only one check mark even after hours or days and other contacts show two check marks quickly, it could mean the person blocked you. 4. You can't call them anymore. Try making a Telegram voice call. If the call doesn't go through or just hangs endlessly, there's a good chance you've been blocked. Normally, if the person has an internet connection, the call should ring or connect. Fifth, you can't see their online status anymore. Another sign is when you cannot see if they're online, even if they usually were. When someone blocks you, Telegram won't show their online presence to you ever. If you used to see them online all the time and now you never do, that's definitely something to pay attention to. 6. Group chats clue. Here's a bonus tip. If you're both in the same group chat, check their activity. If they're active in the group, liking, replying, chatting, but not responding to your private messages, that could mean they have blocked you. Remember, one sign alone doesn't guarantee you've been blocked, but if you notice 3 or more of these signs happening together, it's very likely. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.